Welcome to 8715 River Preserve Drive, located here in River Strand Golf and Country Club. This home is located in the golf dated section of this community, which means that included in your HOA fees are your golf greens fees. You just pay for cart fees. It also includes lawn maintenance and cable and Wi-Fi. Let's take a look at this beautiful home. This screened-in enclosure, I have it open so that we can walk in easily, but that is so great because you can have that open when the weather is really nice and get a beautiful cross breeze from, ta-da, your awesome lanai and pool and water view. So there is the beautiful view. This home is being sold furnished. So pretty much what you see is what you get. There are some items that I've done with staging, but the majority of the furniture comes along with the house. So this home has a great room floor plan, so there is really no wasted space. You do have an eat-in area in the kitchen, which is here, a formal dining room, but then you have this huge great room area. You could add more seating in here if you wanted to. But it's truly great because it's open to the kitchen. And so if you're cooking and you're entertaining, you will not feel like you are being left out. Let's take a look real quickly here though at this view. I mean, this is why you moved to Florida. Another thing I like to always point out to buyers is the amount of covered lanai, because you know, we do get, we're in a drought right now, but when we get the rain, it is pretty heavy. And so to have this much space under the covered lanai is great because you can have room for seating, and you could also have space here for an outdoor table, so you could do dining as well. They have a grill out here, and they have also recently installed this hurricane shutter, and it is operated by remote control, so that will come down and enclose this entire area if needed. So as you look out, this is beautiful. We are facing south right now. So you are going to get the morning sunrise, and then the sunsets will be over here. So you will have a lot of beautiful natural light coming in all day, but it won't be blazing into your home because you have this great covered space. All right, let's take a look here at the kitchen. Great eating space, wonderful breakfast nook. You could add, you know, whatever you want there. You could even add more cabinets. You could add storage there, whatever you want. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. That is a microwave oven combination there. We have a pantry here. It's a closet pantry. So lots and lots of space for you. There's the laundry room, heading out to the garage, which as you saw is a 3-car garage. So when you're in Florida, you need extra space. We don't have basements here, so you will love that 3rd-car garage. Let's head over to the primary bedroom area. Also, just to note, all of these walls were just freshly painted this barely off-white. And I love these floors as well. Such a warm and rich look. So whatever your vibe is, this is really a clean palette that you can do whatever you want with. Plantation shutters throughout the home. We've got dual vanities, a walk-in, huge shower, a garden tub, and then there's also a water closet and another closet for storage. Lots of storage space in here. A very large closet in here that they have a custom closet added for storage, as well as a safe. And here we have a king-size bed. So lots of big furniture in here. And they have these level blinds, but then they also have added the light blocking blinds on top. If you don't want those, you don't want that look, you could always remove those. It's totally up to your personal taste. And then we look out here to the lanai, but you can also close those blinds for privacy as well. So tons of space in here. Let's head on out And let's take a look. This home has 3 bedrooms. It technically has 4, but I would really call this an office. In Florida, if you have a window and a closet, you can call something a bedroom, but this is just a great flex space, if you call it. So they used it as an office. It can be a man cave. You could put a TV in here. You could have twin beds in here, a sleeper sofa, whatever you want. Heading over through the dining room area, you will see we have our other 2 bedrooms and the bathroom for both of those, as well as a linen closet. So nice sized secondary bedrooms. These are queen size beds in here, but lots of space. We have this bathroom, more storage, and finally the 3rd bedroom back here. Another queen size bed. Just a lot of space in here. So again, this is one of the favorite floor plans simply because it allows for the use of the functional floor plan. A lot of people don't want a formal living room anymore. They feel like that's wasted space. And so this home, which is the Oakmont floor plan, really gives you everything you want and need. So have your realtor set up a showing today. It is absolutely stunning.